This is the document I'm going to push you guys into groups on. So going back to this ABT format. So this is something you can use in your situation analysis, and but therefore. And I thought it'd be easier for you guys to digest by putting this in a table. So first you have the setup, right? There's the setup, which is some type of point of agreement. Let me get this down a little bit further. A declarative statement that your audience is going to agree with you in. America was once great. You know what? I agree with you. And then a contradiction. But America is no longer great. Therefore, right? So agreement and a ratcheted up example. And a problem, setup, problem or agreement, contradiction, and then resolution or consequence, and but therefore. So let me give you one more example. So here I wrote up a fictitious business idea, and I believe I called it, there it is, yeah, coming home. So the marketing plan idea here is people 60 plus, they want to retire, housing is expensive. A lot of older people have kind of a housing crisis. They can't downsize without losing their quality of home that they currently have. So the idea is, what if old people can live in a more setting where there's several groups of people, older people, 60 plus, all living on one property? So that's kind of the rough product idea. So here's my ABT pitch on this. First, we have the setup. Baby boomers are looking to retire and downsize. Over 10,000 people turn age 65 each day, and this trend will continue through 2030. By 2020, this year, the number of people aged 60 to 64 in the US will be double what it was in 2000. Wow, I can agree with that. And for the benefit of society and the next generation, it is important that retiring boomers have an affordable and comfortable next chapter solution for their housing needs. I agree with you, Nate. Wow, okay. But boomers are facing a housing crisis. Many cannot find a way to retire and downsize their housing in a way that is affordable on these reduced retired incomes and also comfortable. So there's an unmet need. Baby boomers are still able to live independently and do not need the assisted living format of a retirement home, yet they cannot find decent downsized housing. Therefore, I am launching a business that meets this need. It's called Coming Home, a communal living community for people 60 plus who want to live independently, affordably, in a communal community. So there you go. So that's kind of the setup piece on that. So what I want you guys to try to do in the roughly half hour that we have is I'm going to pop you into groups, and you can each work independently, or you can take a couple of brave souls in the group who want to go ahead and try some ABT for their product idea. But I prefer that you each just take like kind of 10 minutes and kind of work on it, and then share your pitches. And then you'll take the best one and we'll share those out afterwards to the class. And the group that has the best ABT pitch, as voted on by yours truly, will get a bonus plus 10 points. We've got some content writers out there, so there you go. So what I'm going to put in the chat first, I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to put that document in the chat. So open that up as a new browser tab, and I'm going to put you guys in the